Everyone, I've just gotten up. It's day 5 and I am now off to Blizzard Beach, and after Blizzard Beach I will be going to Disney's Hollywood Studios. So I'm just walking to the front entrance of Blizzard Beach Water Park.
Did you guys use for Minnie? Oh, congratulations! Believe that
And here we are, Blizzard Beach. And now we're going to be doing the toboggan race. So I am, and just above is Summit Plummet. Right there. I must say, that was absolutely brilliant. Very fast and quite racing, so it was. Yeah, it is right there. Absolutely brilliant, so it has. How brilliant that was. I'm gonna go again, so I am. it's my second time going on the toboggan race, so it is. Yet I absolutely love it. Consistent, I've not even been to at all Blizzard Beach since 2012. Yet just what I needed for the start of the day. So it was. I love coming at the Christmas time of the year. Now going on the double dipper ride. I must say, that was absolutely amazing. That big drop, yeah, goes absolutely fast. You don't think you're going to land the way it slides. Right here. Very bumpy. Even tells you your speed that you're going at when you get down. So I'm just coming up to the entrance of Hollywood Studios with the Tower Terror just in the background there. My favourite street of Hollywood Studios. Straight ahead is Chinese Theatre, where you've got Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
A friendly hug?
So, first ride I'm going to go on is Mickey's Runaway Railway. Yet, still not tried it, and I heard it's absolutely fantastic.
Let's take a ride and spend the day in countryside. The cats are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect so peachy keen. Hi, Goofy.
Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how we can have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the park too while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, it sure does seem like a lot of paperwork.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Fantastic. I really loved it and enjoyed that. So that's gets you singing and cheers you up. Totally brilliant. Gets pizzas in here, so they do. You've got vegetable pizza, pepperoni pizza, cheese pizza, and pepperoni and sausage pizza, meatball sub, spiced Italian sausage sub. Even do other options just for after. So they do. That looks delicious. Delicious, so it does. Absolutely delicious. Melted snowman sugar cookie. I just thought I'd have my lunch here, so I did. Yes. Got myself pizza, and it comes with a bowl of lettuce, and yet I also got myself a Sprite. So just decided to come in to Walt Disney Presents and just see the history of how Walt Disney created Walt Disney World and where all his inventions started from. The man surely does have a very big invention. So that's the main street, USA. Here's the ride. The entrance is just straight ahead to Slinky Dog Dash.
Happy birthday.
Good thing I booked because the waiting time is 120 minutes. I'm now in the line queue. Just waiting to go on Slinky Dog Dash roller coaster. That was fantastically amazing. Totally loved it. Going up and down the roller coaster. It was absolutely, truly amazing.
Same deal.
So I'm just heading to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. There's the Tower of Terror, which I'm now going to go on. Yeah, it's my number one most favourite ride in the whole of Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Brent! Take care. Take a photo of us. We don't care about
Well, I pretty much enjoyed that, so I did on the Tower of Terror. Yet that was very creepy, so it was, especially at night. Yeah, absolute brilliant ride.
Snakes. Why did it have to be the snakes?
My father cannot fight, so I will take his place.
What's your name, soldier?
Hua Jun, Commander, son of Hua Zhou. Loyal, brave, and true. It is my duty to protect my family. I will bring honor to us all.
The Grid, a digital frontier.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
So we're saving the galaxy again? I guess. Awesome! We're really gonna be able to jack up our prices with Crouton Galaxy savers. So what should we do next? Something good? Something bad? A bit of both? A bit of both! He looks like Harry Potter. Is he cool? Yeah, he's cool. I'm Harry Potter, y'all!
tell us do. We restore order with imagination. We instill hope again and again and again.
This is still the Coast Guard. They say you gotta go out. They don't say you gotta come back in.
Where there is kindness, there is magic.
Into the black hole. In, through, and beyond.
I'm not bad. I'm just drawn that way.
I know that show you went anywhere. Very poppin'.
Great moments are born of great opportunity. Feel what's to happen. All happened before.
So I've just got back to my hotel room. Yet I must say today has been a very interesting day. So it has, having went to Blizzard Beach and also gotten to try out a few different rides at Disney's Hollywood Studios and especially the new ride which I hadn't been on, which was Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Yeah, that was absolutely brilliant because it gets you singing and laughing and yeah, I totally loved that, so I did. Yeah, thanks for watching and I shall see you in the next vlog.
watching this.